Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2020 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. It's a huge 32-foot boat, great fishing boat, boat for comfort. It's a light blue in the exterior. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let's head inside. The inside of this 32-foot boat has lots of amenities here. Got your seats here. This back bench lifts up for better fishing. Right here we have both these that fold down into multiple different positions. That's just one of the positions. You can fold the other seat all the way down to make a nice lounger. Your co-captain chair has flip-up bolsters. It's a dual seat. Here on the port side, you have a nice lounging area. You can hang out, get out of the sun. Nice big spacious bow. As you'll see following in the pictures, there's a table that goes there. There's a live well under this seat here, powered by JL Audio. This one does have a nice refreshment area, more live wells, a refrigerator. Here at the helm, you got a nice big touchscreen Raymarine. You got a Mercury screen to control any engine stuff and a Fusion head unit. This boat is powered by two 350 horsepower Mercury engines. Big engines to power this amazing boat. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Like always, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.